Hello everyone and welcome back to Grad to Corporate. Today I am bringing you an exciting internship opportunity from one of the biggest names in the global data storage industry, Seagate Technology. If you are an engineering or the computer science student looking for the high-paying technical internship in 2026, this could be a perfect opportunity for you. Seagate Technology is a global leader in data storage solutions. From traditional hard drives to the advanced solid state drives and enterprise storage system, Seagate powers the data centers, cloud platforms, and businesses worldwide. As an intern here, you're not just doing the small task, you're contributing to the system that manages the massive global data infrastructure. This is a full-time internship role based in Pune. The expected stipend can go between the range of 25,000 to 40,000 per month, which is highly competitive for technical internship in India. If you are pursuing BE, BTech, ME or MTech in computer science, IT, electronics or related field, you are eligible to apply. In this role, you will primarily work on the system integration and software validation. You will assist in integrating the software modules into the large storage system. You will perform the testing, identify bugs, and support debugging activities. Most importantly, you will work alongside the senior engineers, which means real learning, real exposure, and real technical growth. To apply, you should have a strong academic foundation and a basic understanding of software development concepts. Even though this is an internship, having clarity in fundamental will make a big difference during the interview process. You don't need to be an expert, but if you're comfortable with C, C++, or Python basics, understand Linux fundamentals, and have some knowledge of Git or scripting, your chances increase significantly. Focus on fundamental. That's what interviewer usually test for internship roles. One of the best part about this internship is the stipend, up to 40,000 per month. Apart from that, you gain mentorship, hands-on experience and industry exposure. This types of internship significantly strengthens your resume. The selection process usually starts with an online application. If shortlisted, you may face a technical assessment followed by interviews. Make sure your resume highlights the relevant project, especially those related to system design, operating system, or testing. If you're serious about building a career in software engineering, system integration, or storage technologies, this internship gives you the right exposure. It's not just about the internship, it's about learning from one of the best companies in data infrastructure. Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes and follow all the instruction carefully. I will include the official apply link in the description below. Make sure you apply as soon as possible because the internship position fills quickly. If you find this video helpful, please like and share with your friends who are looking for the job. And don't forget to subscribe Grad Corporate for daily genuine hiring updates. Thank you for watching and all the best for your applications.